Probably the first thing you want to do is to create your home page or set what your home page should be. Right now, and whenever you start a new WordPress site, the homepage of your site is actually the blog article page where a list of all of your recent posts appears. When you install WordPress, what happens is a sample blog article and a sample page are added to your site automatically. So this post right here, when you go to your website, is actually just a sample post that they created. We'll want to delete that and write our own content later. This is also the homepage of your website. So to create a separate standalone page, we're going to create a new page and call it Home. So go from your dashboard to Pages, Add New. Under Title, just type in Home. This doesn't really matter for this page because what happens when you type in the title of a page is this permalink appears. This is the link to get to this page. Now, right now, the link says ebnerdesigns.com/home. We don't want people to have to type in ebner.com designs/home to get to the home page. But don't worry, we're going to set the home page of the site, ebnerdesigns.com, to go directly to this page. So you see, this is the page editor, and we're going to be designing a page in the next lesson. But right now, I just want to show you that in the main part of this editor, you have a text editor with different text options up here. This is where you're going to be designing your page. On the right side, you have different options for publishing, such as publishing now. You can save a draft of your page. You can also preview it. And then down below, here are options for making your page out of a certain template. And some themes come with multiple templates. For example, a theme might come with a contact page template or a portfolio page template. We'll talk about all of these things in a future lesson, but first, right now, let's just publish this page. Once you publish a page, you can view it by clicking the View Page button up here or clicking the permalink right here. I'm going to control click to open it up in a new tab. And now this is what this page looks like. So now this isn't our home page. If I go to ebnerdesigns.com, what happens is I go back to that page where the blog articles were. So to set that as my home page, what I'm going to do is go under Settings and then Reading. Here you see that your front page displays option is your latest posts. I want to make it a static page. So if I set the static page, front page to home, then what happens is I have to set the post page to another page. So what we should do is under Pages, select Add New, and I'm going to control click that again, or command click if you're on a Mac, and then type in blog or articles or posts and rename this page to whatever you want your post page to be and select publish. That page isn't going to show up here on the post page until we say save pages. And then now that we've refreshed this page, it sees all of the published pages. So I can now select our post page to be the blog. Or you don't need a post page if you're not going to be adding posts to your website, and click save. Now, if we go back to our site, and we go to ebnerdesigns.com and refresh, we're at the home page now. And if we click on this icon right here, which is our site title, which we'll be changing in the next lesson, we go to the home page, which is that home page that we set up. To get to the blog article, you could go to ebnerdesigns.com/blog, or what we'll do in a future lesson is add a menu that has links directly to this page. So that's how you add a new page, and that's also how you set your home page to a separate static page. Thanks for watching, and in the next lessons, we'll be changing the site title and also editing the page to make it look really awesome.